I thought it was funny. Premium monkey in a suit, normal is boring shirt. I read this title. I was expecting the next one would be in 2075. Not 2020. Haha. Random story. The best moon for Halloween shenanigans is a new moon. But the little ones will have a safe, well-lit night of trick-or-treating. Even if they will all be in medical-based costumes too. Premium monkey in a suit, normal is boring shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. 2020 is all about the premium monkey in a suit, normal is boring shirt. I think I could just sleep the rest of this year away. I really hope this isn't how the decade is going to go. Remember the 20s? We're lucky to have gotten through that decade alive. Quote, can this be the Halloween where I encounter a real werewolf? Get bitten in. Other product.